In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language settings in Freshdesk. We'll focus on the global help desk setting that controls the default interface language for your team. This change is made by an admin and applies to anyone who hasn't set a personal language preference. If you already have a custom preference, your view won't change, but this update ensures a consistent experience for everyone else. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with admin permissions in your Freshdesk account. The controls we're about to use are only visible to admins. It's also a good idea to let your team know you're planning this change, especially if you're moving to a language different from what most people are used to. Clear communication helps avoid confusion when the interface updates. Start by navigating to the admin section inside Freshdesk. From there, go to Account, and then select Help Desk Settings. This is where the high-level configuration for your help desk lives. Take a moment to review what you see on this page, because changes here can affect the entire account. Within Help Desk Settings, look for the Primary Language drop-down menu. This setting determines the default interface language for users who haven't chosen their own preference. Open the drop-down and select the language you want as the default. Be sure to double-check your choice, especially if your organization supports multiple regions or teams. When you're confident, click Save to apply the change. After saving, the new default will roll out to users who rely on the global setting. If someone has already selected a personal language in their profile, that personal choice remains in place. If you're guiding your team, remind them they can keep their personal preference or switch back to the default at any time. There's one important note to keep in mind. If your Freshdesk account has multilingual support enabled, changing the primary language may require assistance from Freshdesk support. In those accounts, the primary language can be tied to other translation features and customer-facing components, so Freshdesk might need to help finalize the change. If you notice that the primary language option is restricted or you receive an error, reach out to Freshdesk support and let them know you need to update the primary language for your help desk. Once everything is set, give the system a moment to reflect the update. If someone doesn't see the change right away, a quick refresh or a new login session typically helps the interface load with the new default language. And that's it. Your global language setting is now updated in Freshdesk.